Hello, today I will show you briefly how to use Playwright in your web application to perform end-to-end test. I will briefly show how to set up Playwright in your Visual Studio Code IDE and how to run tests from there. So, what is Playwright? This is an end-to-end testing framework for modern web apps, which is developed by Microsoft, and it supports Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, and it works with TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, and .NET. Key benefits: it is fast, reliable, cross-browser testing. So this is a short description what is Playwright. Now I will briefly show how to set up in your Visual Studio Code. First of all, I have already set it up in my Visual Studio Code, so I will not set this up again. I'll show you how to do that. First of all, when you open your Visual Studio Code, you will click in this icon that will be shown in the left side, extreme left, and use this and search for Playwright, and you will find Playwright test for vscode. You will install this. When you install, you will get the installation information in the editor at the right side, in the middle actually. So after installing the Playwright, you will see a small jar will appear. Playwright. But to install the Playwright end-to-end project to create, what you have to do, you have to create a folder in your desired directory. I have created a folder named Playwright test, which is a workspace where your end-to-end test project will be created. So after creating the workspace folder, I will go there, open the folder, and I have opened the folder Playwright test, and inside the Playwright test, what will I do? I will click on Ctrl plus Shift plus P and open the command palette. And after opening the command palette, I will select this test : install Playwright, the second one. And when you click on this, it will install the Playwright test project, and it will actually inside your workspace will create all the folders by itself. It will create an examples.spec.ts test file inside the test folder. So after that, you will click on the Ctrl plus Shift plus P again, and you will install Playwright browsers. If you click on the Playwright browsers, then it will show few options. You will only select Chromium, Firefox, WebKit. For my demo to show, these three are suffice. So these three are enough actually. After checking all those, you will click on OK, and you will install the Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, and you will show the installation status in the terminal here. And after that, when you install this, you will click on the Playwright test icon, which is a chemical jar here, and you will see that there is an extra section which is called Playwright, where you inside the tools you will get some pick locator, record new. I will show you the briefly show you the usage of pick locator. It is very nice. To show that, I will just comment it out, and I will stop this. I will remove this line. And what will I do in the test? First of all, what will it do? It will go, when I run this test, it will go to this directory here. In the second line, it will actually search for the get started link in this space and click on this started page, get started button. And after clicking on that, it will come to this page. Here it will actually assert or will expect that an header with the text installation will be visible. So this is the thing. And now if I run this, I run this test from here. We can run this test from the left actually pane also. From the left pane, you see the play button here, you can see. So when I run the test, it automatically opened the site, clicked on the get started, and went to here. Now I will show you the usage of a pick locator. So if I click on the pick locator here, if I click on this, after clicking on this, you click again. First of all, you have to click on this circle, and then when you click this, it will add a code by itself automatically where your cursor was placed. And see, when I clicked, it went to the page, another page after clicking on that, and that page was actually this one. So now an extra step has come up, which is after asserting that we are in the page, and we will click in this, and I don't need this, so this I have added automatically by clicking on the how to install Playwright link using the pick locator. Now I will close. I will show you since pick locator is already clicked, so that's why whatever I click on this, it will add in the cursor place. So I will save that and run the test again. It has run. Get started clicked, and after clicking on the install, it has come here. See, after clicked on that, open the website, clicked on the get started by searching the link, asserted that it has installation written in the heading, and in that page searched for the link how to install Playwright, and when it clicked on that how to install Playwright, it has reached into this page, which I've already shown a little earlier. So this is the short description, a short brief actually, how to use Playwright. In the later video, I will come up deep knowledge about how to use Playwright in your professional project. So hopefully I show some more details things about the Playwright. Till then, thank you.